Hey, this is Darius, and today I will teach you how to make a circular image, how to scale it, and how to add a circular border. First, add an image link you will find in a description below, or you can use our image. Important, add an alpha channel to this image. You should use this feature if you were merging elements from two different pictures or replacing the background of a picture. Select a circle tool and choose an object that you want to put into a circle. Go to Select, Invert. The layer command invert all of the layer contents outside or inside of the selection. Click Clear or Delete. Make a new layer, fill with transparency. Select and lay down a new layer. Now make a circular border. Go to Select, Grow, type a number, depends on the picture size. I forgot to invert. Choose a color. I will use something like this. Go to Edit and fill with FG color. Now crop the content to make a smaller image. Again, add the main photo. Drag a circular image into the main photo. Scale the circular image. The quality of the photo is not very good, but I think it will be fine for the learning purposes. That's it, now you can export it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe my channel.